Hello and welcome to our last day of our letters challenge for February 2019. Yes, we are coming to an end and today is the day number 28. February is really short and today we are lettering. There are many ways to do things. Let's have fun and enjoy the process. For this piece I wanted to do something really different and special. I will be mixing many markers and outliners and different colors. You will be seeing me doing it, and we will need paper. I am using marker paper. This is very soft, and this is the layout I want to recreate in colors, but seeing it now it looks very nice in ink only. So if you want to do it with me, you are very welcome. Enjoy the process. I will be tracing first these pieces because they need to be very dry to absorb the color, and now we are starting. Have fun! And now this is the final piece of our letters challenge for 2019. It's a February 2019 and it's gorgeous. I like it very much. I hope you like it also, and I want to thank you for participating in this challenge, and I love all the creation we receive and hope we do another one in the future. Have a great nice day and see you soon. Bye!